Bitgert value expectation rundown. The cost of one Brise would reach as commonly high as $1,000 by 2025. Bitgert cost figure proposes a chance of Brise exchanging between $5 to $5 in 2030, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In a bullish situation, Bitgert could essentially outperform the $1.152 mark for 2050, displaying really expected vertical energy, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The negative cost expectation for Bitgert Brise in 2040 generally is $9, with a truly likely genuinely high of $112, or so they by and large thought. With the really current cost of $1,014, Bitgert in every practical sense holds its ground on the lookout, which generally is very huge. Starting around 22 February 2024, Bitgert truly is exchanging at $1,014 in term of its AST rate with a value change of 89% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical. Brise essentially has a for the most part all-out market cap of $56,990,627 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,811,149 in a very significant manner. This basically makes Bitgert Brise in every practical sense, positioning at 528 in the digital currency market in a for the most part significant manner. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert in every practical sense be all things considered, worth in 2024 in an unpretentious way? Is Bitgert a kind of wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2024, which is genuinely huge? Will Brise cost fundamentally outperform its record, breaking high in an especially significant manner? These by and large are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Brise cost is supposed to for the most part cross a very normal value level of $9.9. The normal truly least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in every way that really matters be $9.18, which especially is genuinely huge. Besides, Brise can for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $9.3. Brise value conjecture February 2024. Bitgert estimate for February 2024 expects that the Brise may sort of arrive at a greatest worth of $9.15 with a sort of least cost of around $9.13 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the truly normal value Brise can truly stretch around $9.15 for February, or so they especially thought. Bitgert Brise value conjecture Walk 2024. For Walk 2024 the cost of Bitgert explicitly is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $9.15, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $9.16 and an essentially least of $9.15 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert Brise value expectation April 2024. The cost for Bitgert in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.15 and $0.17, showing how Bitgert value forecast outline the cost of one Brise would in a real sense reach as extremely high as $0 in US by 2025, which basically is genuinely critical. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $1.16. Bitgert value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the genuinely most extreme cost for Bitgert could by and large stretch around $10.17 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in May 2024 in a real sense is $9.15 with a really normal cost of $9.16 in a sort of large manner. Bitgert Brise value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitgert in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $10.16 and $10.18, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $10.16, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Brise value gauge July 2024. The Bitgert conjecture for July 2024 expects that the Brise may really arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $10.19 with a truly least cost of around $10.16, or so they in a real sense thought. Discussing the by and large normal value Brise can basically stretch around $9.17 for July in a very significant manner. Bitgert Brise value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Bitgert cost explicitly is conjectured to for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense least cost of dollars and bytes is 16 in an unpretentious way. The Brise cost could basically arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of dollars and T's with a sort of typical expected cost around dollars and pan 17. Bitgert value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Bitgert could essentially stretch around dollars and in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in September 2024 truly is dollars and $10.17 with an in every way that really matters normal cost of dollars and $10.17 in an unobtrusive way. Bitgert Brise value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Bitgert truly is for the most part anticipated to really arrive at a typical cost of dollars and $8.18, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of dollars and to one and a fundamentally least of dollars and bars and 17, which is genuinely critical. Bitgert value expectation November 2024. Bitgert cost essentially is supposed to sort of reach between dollars and $18 to dollars and $22 in November 2024. While the really normal cost of Brise for the November truly remains around dollars and $18. Bitgert Brise value conjecture December 2024. The Bitgert Brise cost for December 2024 may in a real sense arrive at least worth of dollars and $18, while the especially most extreme determined cost in a real sense is around dollars and to 3, especially further appearance how Bitgert value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the truly greatest cost for Bitgert could fundamentally stretch around $1,000.17 in a sort of significant manner. The fundamentally normal cost for Brise especially is basically anticipated to essentially reach $10.09 in December 2024, or so they essentially thought. Bitgert truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitgert's cost generally has shown an especially decent increment of 268% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge. Bitgert sort of is confronting a fundamentally difficult time, jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Brise for the most part is down to nearly 14% in the sort of most recent 7 days in a by and large enormous manner. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for commonly past lovely few days. The coin could truly have major areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in beautiful present moment, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitgert value estimate 2024 facts. What will all things considered be Bitgert most certainly worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The Brise value sort of is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a